Hello everybody and welcome to another episode of Jeremy Munson Outdoors. It's been a while. We've had a few snowstorms. Busy with life. I'm a coach, so been dealing with basketball and figured today would be a good day to get outside and get some fishing done. Got some snowmobiles just ripping on the lake here. I'm gonna get after some, crappies and bluegills. We'll see if we can find them. There's a lot of snow on the lake, so hopefully it's not too much work. We'll see you in a bit. Well, I didn't have the camera on the first drop. Just wanted to drill a bunch of holes before. I already got a beauty. Now I'll start having the camera on. It's a good start. First drop. Here we go. I'm in about 8 or 9 feet of water. Or I guess from the transducer, it's probably a little deeper than that. But I found some green weeds as I was drilling holes. Some weeds were coming up. So that means could be good. We'll see. Got one, but it doesn't feel too big. It's alright. It's a crappie. Decent sizer. Good eater. It's really hard to feel the bite today. This wind keeps pushing the line. Oh, that was a little one. Do the old tap, tap, tap. They just do not want to bite this. I have to change it. I'm something all excited. I don't know what it is. Small one. That one was tiny. Huh. Well, they're down there. Just gotta figure out what they want to eat the most. Ooh. So, this one feels nice. This one hit on the drop. Stay on, please. Oh, no. Oh, yeah. There we go. I fished in one spot for about an hour. Was not producing. There we go. That's what we're after. That's what we like. Hopefully found the hot spot now. That last one, I didn't even feel it hit. It was already in its mouth by the time I closed my veil. Now they're coming aggressive. Come on. There's multiple fish down there. Oh, there we go. That one felt pretty good. If anything, I'd say it's a keeper. Maybe not. Deceiving. It's an alright one, but not big enough. This one wants a bite. I don't think it's big. Doesn't feel bad. Nice bluegill. Really nice one. That's a 5-plater. That's a beauty tank right there. Big line appeared out of nowhere as I was dropping it. Come on. This one hits. Oh, yes. Now I always hope it stays on. That one felt nice. Oh yeah, it's a thick crappie. Not a huge one, but a healthy one. Yep, we'll take that one. It's just all about finding that spot where they just get fired up. Like I said, I was only 100 yards from this spot. And it wasn't producing. Move 100 yards away. They've been hitting on every drop now. There we go. Just hope I got enough of a hook set. And had the drag set a little loose. Looks like a crappie. And it is. Oh no, I missed it. Yeah. Oh boy. Barely got it hooked in the top lip. That's what we're here for. Right there, boys and girls. Here comes one. Hit it. On. Stays on. Man, ever since that moved, it's been fire. Another good crappie. Oh, another good crappie. Beauty. I love these things. There it is. Not bad. Big though. Special. It's been pretty slow, but it's got this big one. That's a tank. Now they're firing up a little bit again. This one feels pretty nice. Maybe it's because it's in the transducer though. Yep. That's fine. Not that big a guy. She gone. Well, it's been pretty slow lately, and I just caught this nice one, but they haven't really been biting that good for the last hour. First one in a long time. Hopefully you guys enjoyed another episode of Jeremy Munson Outdoors. Got on the crappies and sunnies today. Should keep getting better as the temps get warmer. It was a battle fighting the wind and all the snow. As you can see, there's nobody else out here. It was a great day. Fun time. You guys get out there. Won't be long now till everything starts melting. Get after it. Try to catch some fish before the spring thaw comes. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel. We'll see you next time on Jeremy Munson Outdoors. Peace!